Hey folks, John Ferguson Smart here. A few people have been asking about what's my take on artificial intelligence and test automation and development in general. There are a heap of tools out there emerging that use AI to try and help us or make it easier for us to write tests, to write code, to automate, to do test automation. How good are they and how much impact can they actually have? Well, the trick is some of these tools can actually be game changers, but other ones just marginal benefits. The trick is figuring out what tools can really help you and where they can help you in your development process. See, the thing is, artificial intelligence can help us at all the levels of the development process, all the stages, right from requirements to gathering, right through to development, to testing, test automation. It's a little bit like a Swiss Army knife. Can be helpful, or you can cut yourself with it as well. It really depends on how you use it. So if we take an example, GitHub Copilot, which I use a lot. It's a bit like autocomplete on steroids for coding. It does do some really nice stuff, but sometimes it does get in your way. And it really depends. You really need to guide it well and give it the right understanding of where you want to go and understand what good looks like. I have heard a lot of people, a lot of developers are just spitting out code with GitHub Copilot, just putting it into applications untested. I would strongly recommend against that approach because you really need to be in charge. You need to know what you're after. You need to understand what good looks like, or you will get into trouble. But beyond coding, beyond the actual, this applies to coding and test automation, but that coding and test automation, that happens at the end of the process. Where the real leverage should be happening is not building the thing faster, but building the thing right. Now, can we use artificial intelligence to figure out what we need to build to help us articulate our requirements, to help us define higher quality user stories, higher quality acceptance criteria, and at the start of the process, allow us to drive our requirements, drive our developments better. This might be a little bit marginal in small applications, in small projects, but for larger organizations, more complex domains, where you have really big teams and lots of business analysts, lots of product owners, AI at the requirements discovery level, that could be a real game changer. So that's what I wanted to talk about today. Just the fact that you can have AI at all the levels of the software development process. But the real leverage, I think, is the further left you go, the earlier on in the process, the higher the impact you can have with artificial intelligence. Okay, thanks for listening. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe on the button underneath, and I will see you next time.